everyone, this is me, Robin, and my friend Megan, and now we're going to do this slime thing. It's eco-friendly slime. So what you need to make it is you need a jug of hot water, not too hot, and then this powder, and then you'll need a spoon and some scissors to open it. A big large bowl. So first, we're going to put the water in. So, pour it in. Can we do the other one? And you can do the other one. Be careful. Stand up then. Right, this, please. Careful. And now what we do is we get this. Now we can't touch this, okay? And we can't touch the water over, okay? Right, let's start.
What is it gonna be? What? Put it in water.
Whoopsie.
Whoopsie.
Now. Now let's pour it in. Oh, it's coming in. Come on now, you silly little bits.
No.
A bit lower.
Don't touch, don't touch. Come on, squidge it out. It's coming.
Get out. It's gonna come.
Come on, get down. Come on, quick. Oh.
Let's do another one. Let's do another one.
Oh, yeah.
Let's do another one.
I think that's it all.
We can do another one.
Now, we have to mix it. I'll have a go and then you have a go, yeah? Ooh. Now, let's mix it in. Look at it, it's turning green. Look at it.
I can see.
Yeah.
It's turning green.
Oh, it's very thick. It's getting thick. Now you have a 10. See, it's looking amazing. We're making eco-friendly slime.
One.
It looks really amazing. Amazing it is.
Another one.
Yeah, we'll be. So we have to mix it for 15 minutes because the more you mix it, the more thicker it gets, and you love it when it's thick. So let's keep on going. Keep on going. And as you can see, it's green, so all that powder is coming in and it's making it look really green. So, yes. Right, it looks really good.
Let's do another one.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
Let's do another one. Why don't we sit down? Let's do another one.
Doesn't it look amazing, Alex?
Yeah, let's do another one.
Yeah, we'll be doing
Guys.
it's ready and the slime is looking amazing. Get your hand out of it. Right, now let's touch it, shall
Your
we? Oh,
sleeves up.
hands.
Sleeves up.
Wait. Wait.
Yeah. Take
You ready, guys?
take the top out of there. It's just gonna drip on it, isn't it? Put it on the bench.
One, two, three. My turn. You ready?
And my has a soaking.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels really smooth and squidgy. Oh, it's amazing. Oh, feels ready for home. It's like jelly on the plate. Jelly on the plate. And I'm going to get some more. Oh my. Wait, hold on. Look, Robin, there's bits tipping down. Alex? Alex? I got it! I got them! Oh my gosh.
And that's what happens when you're playing with slime. Eh, Alex? Is it good? Is it good fun?
Wee. Yeah.
Is it good fun? Hmm?
Yeah. Oh, it says he needs a wee.
Yeah.
He went over there to try.
Yeah.
But
Where's the slime?
I definitely need to go in the park. Can we go inside to go to the park?
In a minute. Yeah, see a slime? Yeah.